If you're pragmatic about how you set up your system at the beginning, you're going to have a lot of success down the road. Telling your agent of choice, whether it's Claude or whatever, in its own configuration file, that as you're creating components, make sure to extract them and add them to the agents file, that you start to build up this like global context that can be reused in every single session. It's very similar to like what a developer would do in a pull request. If we said, hey, that's a great component you're using. We actually have that now in a couple places. Let's extract it and put it into something more reusable. I think that you're going to find that an agent will work with that tooling really, really well. And so like when Tim mentioned we've had good success with agents files, let me describe how our system in this client situation works. We're extracting all of the tokens that we need from Figma into one hard file that's split by multiple themes. And so a theme contains the same tokens, and the tokens all have different values, right? So like your background color might have the same name, but the value of it might be different depending on the theme. And then that theme feeds into every component we've built, whether it's a button, whether it's a drop down, whether it's a carousel, whatever. Every one of those is built up from like smaller atomic components. And because we're building this whole thing in React, they all have their own interface that we can document, right? So there's an API for every component that says how to use it, just based off of how the props are named. And so it was very simple to take that entire definition of the design system from code and have our agent of choice, Claude, crawl through it and build out an agents file based on that. That's a very lightweight representation of the entire component tree with all of its props. And now that exists at a high level, that anytime I ask an agent to do a task, it's got that context at the very beginning. And so really without prompting, we were finding that if I were to like open a new agent session with that agents file and drop in a screenshot of Figma and say, can you build this? Or can you give me some JSX for this? It will grab the right components, even though it has no context that the component in Figma is the component over here. It can make the inference and it will grab the correct ones. And now because it knows the API of them, it will provide the right prompts. And so we're getting like shotgun approach with 90% accuracy for these things. So it's all about, I think, pragmatism and how you would build up a system in a way that's going to support any new hire as they come on. And so just considering that these agents are extra resources on your team, extra people that are going to need to know how to do the thing the right way, you're going to find a lot of success.